Hi, it's Doja Cat. I'm getting ready for Met Gala with Ray-Ban Meta and MAC.
Hey Meta, record this.
The monochromaticness of this whole look, we're staying consistent rather than like veering off with the eyeshadow, which we thought about, which could have been really, really, really cool too. I was like, oh my god, how cute. I love the Makeup Light packaging, but I think we just have always loved this color. It's just this tiniest little single pan of color that we always look at and we're like, wow, we love this. And now I feel like it was really special to do it like for a Met. It just feels like really buttery, and it just also feels kind of like poetic because it's that buttery color. So this is my look, and I'm gonna be wearing this full silicone gown. It's got this golden clasp at the top that helps gather all of the material. It's full armed, but the leg is slit all the way up the side. And so you get that little oomph in it, you know, very sexy. And so I'm very excited for that. And we wanted to go with a color near to my skin, but something still a little bit different. And this was really nice. We have a matching shoe with this. My Met Gala ritual. Actually, I don't have a Met Gala ritual. I just wing it. This year it's nice. I'm working with my glam team, my original glam team. We're all very intertwined creatively. Hey Meta, record this. So this is my final look for Met Gala. Thank you for getting ready with MAC, Ray-Ban Meta, and I.